Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Xpower air mover on the market, the Xpower P-230AT Mini Mighty Air Mover. If you're looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile air mover that can tackle everything from water damage restoration to improving air circulation at home or in the office, this might just be the tool you need. The Xpower P-230AT packs a punch with its 1/4 of a horsepower motor, delivering up to 925 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Despite this impressive power, it remains energy efficient, drawing only 2.3 amps at its highest speed setting. This means you get strong, focused airflow without a heavy electricity bill. One of the standout features is its centrifugal blower design, which directs air in a concentrated stream ideal for drying carpets, floors, furniture, windows, and walls. This precision airflow makes it especially useful for tight spaces like crawl spaces, bathrooms, and even auto interiors, where traditional fans might not reach effectively. In terms of size and portability, the P-230AT measures just over 10 by 12 inches and stands about 13 inches tall. It weighs a mere 10.2 pounds, so you can easily carry it around or move it from one job to the next without strain. The housing is made from durable polypropylene, ensuring that it can withstand the wear and tear of both commercial and home environments. The design is thoughtful with stackable construction and a built-in handle, making storage and transportation hassle-free. Another practical feature is the daisy chain capability. This allows you to connect multiple units together, powering them from a single outlet and expanding your drying coverage significantly without extra wiring or outlets. Versatility is key with this model. It offers 3 speed settings and 4 different operating angles: 0, 20, 45, and 90 degrees. So you can adjust the airflow direction precisely to fit your drying or ventilation needs. Whether you want a direct blast of air or a more subtle circulation, this air mover adapts easily. Additionally, the unit includes a built-in timer with a 3-hour setting. This means you can set it and forget it, allowing the air mover to run just long enough to dry or ventilate an area without wasting energy. Safety has been well considered too. The P-230AT is ETL and CETL certified, meeting rigorous safety standards. It also features dual thermal protection to prevent overheating, giving peace of mind during extended use. The motor and overall build quality reflect commercial-grade durability, promising years of reliable performance. 2 onboard power outlets are a clever inclusion, enabling you to plug in other devices or link several air movers in a chain to tackle bigger projects. This is a feature often missing in competitors' models, making the P-230AT stand out for professional use. Operating on standard 115 volts, this unit is designed primarily for use in North America, so international buyers might need a voltage converter, but that's a small consideration given the performance you get. To summarize, the Xpower P-230AT Mini Mighty Air Mover is a powerhouse in a compact package. Its strong airflow, energy efficiency, adjustable angles, timer, daisy chain capability, and durable construction make it perfect for a variety of drying and ventilation tasks. Whether you're a professional carpet cleaner, restoration specialist, or just someone who wants effective air circulation in their home, this air mover offers excellent value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.